Lucy, do you have a problem? What's your problem? Tell me, what's your problem? Huh? What's your problem? Go ahead, I'm listening. I'll be your therapist. Tell me your life story. Are you a bad dog? Are you bad? You know you're on camera, don't you? You know that. I'm going to show the whole world how bad you are. I will. What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you want a treat? Do you want a treat? What do you do if you want a treat? What do? Do you set? Set? Give paw? Give paw? Oh, you want one too, huh? Sit, Athena. Oh, no, I can't have the treat dumped out. Ah. Okay, you guys are going to be good now, right?